their customers, their shareholders, their TARMAC Aerosave employees. I would like to thank you on behalf of TARMAC Aerosave for joining us on this special day. Today we are all reunited to officially celebrate the opening of our new engine shop. What is really enabling us to achieve and face all our challenges is our relationship. So it was very important for us, after 2 years being all separated because of COVID, to be reunited to celebrate a new milestone in the history of TARMAC Aerosave. Our mission is to offer engine services at every stage of its cycle, offering maintenance, storage, and recycling solutions. TARMAC Aerosave offers a unique concept to operators by allowing them to land in Tarbes, get engine serviced or replaced, and take off from here. To complement this one-stop shop concept, we needed to have a state-of-the-art engine workshop. In April 2022, we finalized the construction of this new hangar with the support of our 3 shareholders.
Today, with this very impressive facility, you are now moving to really a new step. So congratulations. On behalf of SAFRAN Aircraft Engines and SAFRAN, I would say we are very confident with your capability as a team to make of this facility a success and keep growing your engine maintenance activities. Thank you.
Firstly, I would like to highlight the creativity of our engine team. Secondly, I'm very proud and impressed by the true customer-oriented mindset of the engine team members. They are working hard every day to find the best solution for our customers.